Good morning students. Hope everyone are fine. So in the last class we discussed the multiplication properties of integers, right? And after that we discussed the exercise number 1.2 first main. And I had given homework, that is a write a multiplication properties of integers as a 2 times, as well as the solve the exercise number 1.2 first main in a HW. That I had given a homework, right? So hope everyone done your homework. So now today we'll discuss the second main. Okay, in exercise number 1.2 second main, that is a verify the following. Okay, I just given the hint in the last class. I don't know whether you did or not. Okay, we'll solve the 1.2 second main now. 1.2 second main. In that, what is the first one here? The first one is 18 into, in the bracket we are having a 9 plus of minus 3, that is equal to 18 into 9 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. So whether this is a equal or not. Okay. So here this is the LHS value and RHS. Whether LHS is equal to RHS or not, that we have to check here. Okay. For that reason, first consider the LHS value. What is the LHS here? LHS is equal to 18 into 9 plus of minus 3. Okay. So next. So simplify the brackets first here. Plus into minus. Here. Plus into minus is minus 9 minus 3. Next. 18 into 9 minus 3 is the 6. What is the 18 6 are? 108, right? Yeah. So 18 6 is a 108. So LHS is got as a 108. So what is the value of LHS here? LHS is equal to 108. Now we check for the RHS. Consider here RHS. That will be the 18 into 9 and plus of 18 into minus of 3. Right? So 89 is how much? And it's a 72. 7 carry 9 9 162. Plus here 18 threes are, here plus into minus, minus 18 threes are 54, right? So now 162 minus 54, that will be 162 minus 54. Subtract and write. 162 minus 54. So 12 minus 4 is 8, 6 minus 6 0, that is 108. Right? So what is the RHS we got here? RHS is equal to 108. Whether RHS is equal to LHS here, RHS is equal to LHS. Yes, because LHS is also 108 and RHS is also 108. From this what we can write here? Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Hence, verified. Right here. Hence, verified. Okay? That much you have to write here. They given a LHS as well as the RHS value. You have to check whether those two are the equal or not, like that you have to check here. This is nothing but which property they used here. This is nothing but a distributive property of a multiplication under addition they used here. Right? So this is nothing but a distributive property of a multiplication under the addition. Okay? So next we will go for the second one. What is the second one problem here? Second one, in that second one, minus 24 into, in the bracket of minus 4 into minus 6 we are having. That is equal to minus 24 into minus 4 here. And next, plus of minus 24 into minus 6. Right? Now we have to check whether these two are equal or not. So first this will be the LHS and this will be the RHS. So consider a LHS here. LHS is equal to minus 24 into minus 4 into minus 6. Okay. So here minus 24 into here will be minus 4 into minus 6 is minus into minus plus and 6 4s are 24. Right? So here don't write a plus, it's okay because we understood. If you didn't write also it is a plus. Otherwise write plus into minus is minus. 24 24s are 24 into 24 do here because here multiplication is remember. Just multiply the signs minus into plus is a minus. Now multiply the numbers 24 into 24. What is the value 24 into 24? Okay, 4 for the 16, 4 for the 8, 9, same thing. 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4. Okay. So 576 minus 576 we got. So LHS is the minus 576. Now do the RHS here. RHS is equal to minus 24 into minus 4, right? Plus of minus 24 into minus 6 is there. Now solve the brackets first. Minus into minus, that will be the plus. 24 into 4 is 24 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry 4 to the 8, 96. Plus here, minus into minus, that will be the plus only. So 6 4 is 24, 2 carry, 6 2 is 18, sorry 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 2, 4. Wait, somewhere will be wrong, right? Here addition is there or multiplication is there? Sorry, here addition is there, not a multiplication. Okay, I written a multiplication. Here addition is there in question. Observe the question everyone properly. Here addition is there. Okay, so if it is a addition means minus 4 minus 6 will be the, what is the value here? We get here as a 10, right? Minus 10 in it. Minus 10 means minus into minus, that will be the plus, and this will be the 240. Right? This is not. Wait. Minus 4 minus 16. Both are minus, then add the numbers, write the minus sign. So 4 plus 6 is a 10 and sign will be the minus here. And after that minus 24 into minus 10. Minus 24 into minus 10 means minus into minus plus 24 times are 240. That is the answer. Okay. So here the same thing. So this will be the 240. So RHS is also 240 we got. Then what we can say here? Okay. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore verify. Therefore verify. Okay. So next go for the third one. What is the third problem? Similarly like same as like a first one and second one. Third one. Try everyone. Third one. Don't look at the board. Just write yourself. After that, verify with my answer. Whether it is correct or not like that. Okay? 3 plus of minus 6. That is equal to 17 into 3 plus 17 into minus 6. Right? So first this is the LHS and this will be the RHS. Consider here a LHS. So LHS is equal to 17 into 3 plus of minus 6. Okay. So next 17 into 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 means it is a minus 3. Right? 1 plus is there, 1 minus is there. We have to subtract here. And which sign we have to write? Bigger number sign. Bigger number sign is here minus. For that reason I written a minus 3. Okay. Now multiply. 17 3 is how much? 17 3 is 51 and this will be the minus sign. Understanding? Yes. So LHS is got as a minus 51 now. Now we have to do the RHS. Do the RHS now. RHS is equal to 17 into 3. Okay. Next plus 17 into minus 6 is there. Right. What is the 17 3 is a value? 17 3 is 51 and plus of here minus into plus minus is there. 76 is how much? 1 or 2. Okay. So 1 plus is there and minus is there. Then we need to subtract the value. So what is the value? 1 or 2 minus 51. So that will be the 51 only. So minus 51. So what is the RHS value here? RHS value is minus 51. And LHS value is minus 51 as well as the RHS is a minus 51. Then here we can write a LHS is equal to RHS. Right? Therefore, verify. Hence verify. Right? Hence verify. Hope everyone are understanding. Okay, this is nothing but a distributive property of a multiplication. Under addition we are checking. Okay, so last one, do it yourself. Fourth one, I did a 3 problems. Next one, fourth one, do it yourself. I won't do that one. Okay, that is a homework. Next, third main. What is the third main here? Fill in the blanks they given. What is the fill in the blanks? Let's see. Third main. Third main. Fill in the blanks. First one. What is the first one? A into 1. A into 1. What we can write? A. Okay. Next, second one. Or else you can write a 1 into A also. Both are correct. Okay. And next, A into minus 1. What is the value? A into minus 1. Minus into plus is minus A. Okay. And now third one. What is the third question here? Minus 1 into A. Minus 1 into A. That will be the minus A only. Next, fourth one. Okay. What is the fourth one here? A into B plus C. That is nothing but a what? Distributive property of a multiplication. Under addition they given. Right? LHS value they given here. We have to write the RHS. That means here A into B plus A into C. Okay. So this will be the answer. Hope everyone understood this one. Okay. So now, and fifth one also they given, right? Multiplication identity for collection of an integer is always 1. Right? So fifth one is answer is 1. Next, sixth one. What is the sixth question here they given? Multiplicative inverse for an integer other than 1. Multiplicative inverse for an integer other than 1. Multiplicative inverse for an integer. What they given here? Multiplicative inverse for an integer other than 1. That will be the reciprocal of the number. So how can we write it here? Wait 1 second. Multiplicative inverse for an integer other than 1 is not exist. Write a not exist. Okay. Next, directly we'll go to the fourth main now. So third main also completed, right? Now we'll go to the fourth main. That is starting from 5 into minus 1. Write the various products showing the same pattern to show the minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1. Starting from the 5 into minus 1. Write a various products. How to write a various products here? Into minus 1, write a various products. Okay. So here we'll write now. Fourth main, we started from the 5 into minus 1, right? So starting from a 5 into minus 1, write a various product showing us some patterns to show that minus 1 into minus 1. Last we want a minus 1 into minus 1, that will be plus 1. Okay, so now here decreased. So here 4 into minus 1 will be the here minus 1, this is minus 4. Next 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Next 2 into minus 1 is a minus 3. Next 1 into minus 1, that will be the minus 1. Next minus 1 into minus 1, that will be the plus 1. Right? We got the pattern here. See what I did here, just I decreased these numbers. Okay? So I just decreased, goes on decreasing this number. Okay, subtract 1 from this one. That is 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is a minus 1. Okay, so that I did here only. Okay, so here not 1 minus 1 is a actually 0 you will get, and after that again minus 1 you have to write here. Okay. Don't consider the 0, because if you multiply any number to the 0, then you will get a 0 only. For that reason, don't consider the 0. We want the answer as a minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1. For this we have to write the pattern here. So this is the pattern. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 4 into minus 1 4 minus 4. 3 into minus 1. Just I decreased these values. Okay, I taken a decreasing of these numbers. This one is same only. So this is called as the pattern. I hope everyone know the pattern. How the patterns are formed, everything you know, because in lower sections you studied already patterns, right? So according to that patterns we return this one. Okay, so this is the answer for the fourth question. Now we'll go for the fifth one. Find the product of a using a suitable properties. Okay, find the product using a suitable properties. Don't multiply directly, you have to use some properties here. Okay, so in the fifth main, the first will be the 25 into 9 into 4 is there, right? So here 25 into 4. I just exchanged these two numbers, okay? So which property I use here? Commutative. Okay? Just exchange these numbers. 9 into 4 can be written as 4 into 9. Okay? So that property is equal to commutative property we used here. So now multiply this two. 25 4 is 100 into 9, that will be the 900. So if you use the properties, then we can multiply easily. Otherwise it's difficult to multiply, right? 25 9 will be 225 into 4, that will be lengthy process. For that reason we have to use the properties and make it as a easy multiplication. Okay, so for that reason we have to study the multiplication properties. Otherwise there is no need to study the multiplication properties, right? So whenever we are studying the multiplication properties, we have to use that properties when we are multiplying to make a easy. Okay, so next one is 8 into 57. 8 into 57 into minus 125. Here also same thing. Just exchange these two. That is 8 into minus 125 into 57. Which property we use here? Commutative property. Right? Commutative property we use. So 8 into minus 125 is what? What is the value? 8 5 is 40. 4 carry. It is 16. 16 plus 4 is 22 carry. 8 on the 8. 8 plus 2 is so here we got a minus 1000, right? So into 57. So 57 into minus 1000 is minus 57,000. We can write easily. Understanding what I am saying here? Yes. So next we'll go for the third one. Third one. In fifth one, third one. Third one. Minus 43 into 103 given. Okay. So minus 43 as it is. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Yes, we can write 100 plus 3. Right? 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Okay. So now which property we have to apply? Multiplication. distributive property of a multiplication under the addition. That property we have to apply here. So that will be the minus 43 into 100 plus of minus 43 into 3. So this will be the minus 4300 minus 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So now both are minus, we need to add the values. So minus 4000 here to 4. 4429 is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. Now go for the fourth problem. What is the fourth one here? 71 into minus 97. So this one can be written as 71 into minus 97 can be written as here minus 100 plus 3. Minus 100 plus 3 is the minus 97, right? So now use minus 100 here, distributive property, okay? Plus, and here will be the 71 into 3. So it is a minus 7100 plus 3 will be 3, 721. So now subtract here, 7100 minus 230. So 10 minus 3 is a 7, 10 minus 2 is a 8, right? Next, 11 minus 3 is a 8, okay? So next is 7 minus 1 is 6. So answer will be the minus 6887. Getting everyone? 103 can be written as 100 plus 3, okay? So use a distributive property. ಯಾವ property ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? That is distributive property. Distributive property we used. Right? Next one. 43 into 100 plus minus 43 into 3. So here minus 4300 minus 129. So if both are minus, then add the values. That will be the minus 4429 is the answer. Okay. Next one here. 71 into minus 97 is there. Minus 97 means we can write as a minus 100 plus 3. Right? Minus 100 plus 3. Again use the distributive property here. Distributive property means 71 into minus 100 plus 71 into 3. Distributive property we used. Right? Next 71 into minus 100 is a minus 7100 plus this will be the 213. Right? Next. So 1 plus 1 minus is there. For that reason we need to subtract the values. That will be the 6887 and the bigger number sign is a minus is there. For that reason write a minus sign here. Okay, only this much you have to do here. So next another up to 15 problems are there. Okay, so we'll see. Just send you a PDF. You know already how to do this product, right? So if you know already and you understood all the problems, then you can do further. Okay, so if you understand till this one, I solved only 4 problems, right? So if you understood how method, then solve the next problem also. Otherwise I'll send all the problems PDF. Okay, I'll write and I'll send to you. Okay, because in class only we did all the problems, means it will take us so much time. Okay, so for that reason I'll just give the notes for that one. Okay, I'll send the notes in WhatsApp. That one you copy and paste. Okay, if you're not understanding that one, then again call and clear. Okay, so next one is the sixth main. See, we express the following as a product of 2 factors is there. That will be discussed in the next class. Okay, so till that class, be safe in your home. The homework is solve the exercise number 1.2 till that is 5th main. Till 5th main again solve 1.2. Okay, that is the homework for you. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.